Tired of missing out on your favorite artists' Weverse content because of language barriers? We're diving into a quick guide on how to activate and customize subtitles on Weverse Web, so you never miss a beat. First, head to the Weverse website and log into your account. Next, find the video you want to watch. It could be a live stream replay, a Bangtan bomb, or any other video content. Once the video starts playing, look for the subtitles icon. It usually looks like a square with lines in it. Click on it. A menu will pop up displaying the available subtitle languages. Select your preferred language from the list if the language you need isn't there. Unfortunately, it's not available for that specific video. Now, if you want to adjust the appearance of the subtitles, look for a settings icon within the video player. It often looks like a gear. Clicking the settings icon should open up options to customize the subtitles font size, color, background, and even opacity. Experiment to find what works best for you. And that's it. You should now be enjoying Weverse videos with subtitles tailored to your liking. If subtitles aren't showing up, try refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, or even trying a different browser. Sometimes a simple refresh can do the trick. Now you're all set to explore the world of Weverse worry-free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Weverse tips and tricks. Happy watching.